It's Monday, and I'm going to show you how every single Monday you can grow your ATM business way beyond your belief, and how you can increase your passive income and your wealth and everything in your life on Monday. Stay with me here. Hey there, my name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009, and I've been an ATM business mentor since 2011. That's where I teach people just like you how to start and grow your own profitable ATM business that will provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames. Now, why do you want consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames? Well, that's going to be different for everybody, but most people that come to this channel and watch my videos want to get out of their 9-to-5 jobs, or they want to supplement their retirement, or this is their retirement. There are people that want to stop putting out hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars to get a decent return, and they want to put out, instead they want to put out less to get a decent return, right? And then there's people that want to build a legacy, like have generational wealth for their children, right, and grandchildren. Right, so there's going to be all different reasons, and there's probably tons more reasons that I didn't even mention. But why you want that passive income and big chunks of cash is personal to you. Now, here's the thing. If you would like me to help you start and grow a profitable ATM business that will provide you with consistent monthly passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames, then I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com, or better yet, just click the link in the description. All right, enter your email, watch the training video, and then book a call with my team, and we'll figure out if we're fit together. All right. Now, before we go any further, like this video, give me some thumbs ups, and then click that ATM. I don't know what side it's on, but click that ATM that's in the corner. Hit that bell notification, select all, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. Okay, so here's the thing. It's Monday. It is Monday. Now, if you are anything like I was back when I had work a 9-to-5 job, okay? Because I did many years. I worked a 9-to-5 job. If you're like I was, you hate Mondays. I hated Mondays. I despise Mondays. As soon as Friday got here, yeah, I was excited for the weekend, but I knew in a couple days Monday was coming, right? And Saturday I got a little bit more bummed out because Monday was coming. Sunday I got super bummed out because Monday was coming. And then Monday got here, and Monday freaking sucked. I hated Monday. Monday sucked because it was the start of the work week, and I didn't want to be there. Like, I literally despised being at a job, right? And Monday just kind of drove it home like, hey, you're at this job working for this numbskull, or you're working for these people who tell you what to do, tell you when to do it, how to do it, where to do it, for how long to do it, right? They control your time, they control their pay, they control everything about your life. And Monday is what brought it home every single week. So I hated Monday. I dreaded Mondays. Pretty much everybody I've worked with dreaded Mondays, right? So if you're like that, then this is a perfect video for you. Okay, I want you to watch this video. I want you to take it in. Okay, and then I want you to implement. Implement, that's the key here, okay? So that's how I was. All right, now I have not had a job since 2012, okay? Because of the ATM business. But what I want you to realize is that every single Monday, I know right now you think it sucks, right? I know you're probably, remember Garfield the cat back in the day? Like if you're older like me, you remember Garfield. Garfield loved lasagna and he hated Mondays, okay? So what is really important about Mondays, from this Monday right now, going forward, is I want you to not hate Mondays. I want you to look forward to Mondays. I want you to embrace Monday. I want you to love Monday. Why? Why? Because Monday is the start of a new week, and every single Monday from this point forward, I want you to get pumped up about it, get excited about it. Let's call it Mofo Monday. Why? Because every single Monday going forward is the beginning of you now knowing that you can take a step towards your goal. A step. Monday is that trigger every single week for you, right? Every single week. Oh my God, it's Monday. Yes, I get to start now the new week, taking a new step towards my future goal, which might be quitting that job, right? Maybe it's quitting that job, okay? So that's the end future goal. So this Monday, right now, what is that one little step that you're going to take to move yourself to that future goal. See, all I'm asking you to do is to reframe and refocus how you think about Monday. If you do that, it'll change your life. It'll change the trajectory of where you're going, okay? Because now Mondays, instead of sucking, you're going to look forward to Mondays, and every Monday, you're going to know, okay, boom, now we got to take that step, that next step to get to this goal up here, quitting your job or whatever it might be, retiring, I don't know, whatever it is, whatever your end goal is, okay? Let me give you an example. So I play pickleball, obviously. I play pickleball, and I've had a foot injury. It's a plantar, I don't know how to say it, plantar fasciitis or something like that, right? So my heel hurts, right? And I went to a podiatrist for it, okay? Prior to me going to the podiatrist, okay, I got real serious about losing weight, right? And I was losing weight, right? I would lose like a pound a day. If I played pickleball, I only lost like a half a pound. But I'm losing weight. Boom, boom, boom. No problem. I'm doing great, right? Boom, boom, boom. I go to the podiatrist, okay? He's like, oh, you know what? You got a classic case of plantar fasciitis. I think that's what they call it. I might be saying it wrong. I don't know. But he goes, I'm going to give you a shot in your heel. He gave me a needle in my heel. It wasn't cortisone, but it was something like that, right? And then he said, and then I'm going to put you on a 10-day regimen of steroids, right, to help with inflammation and whatnot, okay? I'm like, all right, cool, no problem. So, and I got exercises and all other kinds of stuff to do. So anyways, I come home, again, I'm eating better, right, to lose weight. And I come home and I start my steroids, okay? I think I actually started them on Saturday. So I start them on Saturday, and I still lost, I started on Friday. And then Saturday, I lost 0.3 pounds. So I'm like, oh, this is awesome. Like, I'm on steroids, and I still lost weight, right? Because if you know anything about steroids, there's a couple things it does. It keeps you up. They keep you up, right? You can't sleep. You want to eat everything that is not nailed down, and you gain weight. That's steroids, right? So as soon as he said he was putting me on the steroids, I was like, shit, this is not going to work out for my weight loss, right? So I was thrilled the first day I took steroids. I still lost 0.3 pounds, right? That's not exciting, but it's exciting when you know you're on steroids and you still lose weight. So then the next day, I lost 0.2 pounds, right? I was like, you know what? I will freaking take it. I'm taking steroids, right? I'm sleeping at night because I was taking them so early. I'm not hungry. I'm not feeling hungry. And I'm still losing weight. Like, I will take this all day long, right? So I'm pumped. I'm on steroids and I'm still losing weight. Then comes Monday. Monday comes here. And I weigh myself, and I gained 0.3 pounds. 0.3 pounds I gained. Oh my God. I went through the fucking roof. I'm in the bathroom. My wife is in the bathroom. I go through the roof. And then I start ranting and raving like a lunatic, right? Like the idiot that I was, saying all kinds of stupidness, like, oh my God, if I'm gonna gain weight anyway, then I might as well just eat like shit and eat whatever I want. And I'm going off the rails. Like, I'm going off the deep end because I just gained 0.3 pounds. Like, I'm literally losing it, right? And my wife says, hey, babe, it's okay. Just relax. You know it's the steroids. It's the steroids. You are doing great. You look great. You're doing fantastic. You only got a few more days left of the steroids, so just keep doing what you're doing. It'll all work out. It'll work out. And I'm like, I'm just going to stop taking the steroids. I'm going to stop taking them until I lose my weight. And she's like, well, that's going to mess up your foot more. And, just keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing. It's all going to work out. It's the steroids. It is the steroids, right? So she helped me reframe and refocus what I was concentrating on, right? So I'm concentrating on I just gained 0.3 pounds, right? But I needed a little reset, a little reframe, a little refocus. Hey, it's the steroids. It's not you. It's the steroids. So instead of me losing my mind, right, and starting to eat like crap, I listened to her. I just kept doing what I was doing. I refocused, reframed. Hey, it's just the steroids. After I'm done with them, I'm going to go back to losing a half a pound or a pound a day, right? Went through that day, got through that day, woke up Tuesday morning, I lost 1 whole pound. 1 whole pound! And the day before, I was flying off the deep end, and I was ready to eat all the crap that wasn't nailed down because I gained 0.3 pounds, and I know I gained it because of steroids. But my wife was there to, take me, keep me from going off of that edge. And then what happened? I lost a whole pound the next day, right? So this is what, I know that's about steroids and something else, but that's all you need to do is you need to refocus and reframe how you look at Mondays. If you can do that, oh my God, everything is going to change. Everything's going to change in your life, right? Because if you want to get to this end goal right here, let's say quitting your job, okay? Or let's say making enough passive income that, be financially free, right? Because you make enough passive income. Financial freedom is generating enough passive income that pays your bills, right? So financial freedom, quitting your job, retirement, whatever this end goal is. Obviously, there's steps that you need to take to reach that end goal. It's not just going to miraculously happen, right? So reframe Mondays. Let Monday be the start of a new week every single week. And Monday is exciting. Boom, it's Monday, baby. Let's go, right? And now you're like, okay, what's the step I'm going to take today? What is the step that I'm going to take today on this beautiful Monday to move myself forward to this goal, right? A little step. I'm not saying anything big, but just something little. So get excited about Mondays. Literally, make Monday your bitch. That's what I'm trying to tell you to do about Mondays, okay? Reframe, refocus how you look at Mondays. And oh my gosh, amazing things are going to start to happen. Now, you, of course, should be taking little steps every single day to move closer to your goal, right? But let Mondays be that trigger for you every single week. Oh my God, it's Sunday night. I'm getting ready for Monday, baby. Because Monday, I got some things I need to do to get me closer to my goal, right? So it don't matter. And listen to me. Everybody at your work, at your job is still going to be pissed that it's Monday. They're still going to be, oh, Monday sucks. I hate Monday. Not you, baby. You're going into work like, yo, come on, bring on Monday. Because I got things I'm trying to accomplish in my life instead of staying around the job and bitching and moaning to people that are never going to change their lives. But I am, meaning you are, right? You are. So let Monday be that refocus, that reframe for you to start the new week and to do that one little step that you need to take to move you closer to your goal. There's so many steps you can take. Let's say your goal is to start an ATM business so that you can generate passive income and big chunks of cash. So you ultimately quit your job, right? And achieve financial freedom, right? Well, it's Monday. It's Monday right now. It is Monday right now. You are now excited about Monday. Maybe the one step that you're going to take, the one little step that you're going to take on this Monday to move yourself closer to this end goal is you are going to literally click the link in the description below, enter your email address, and watch my ATM training video. That could be your one little step, right? You watch that ATM training video, then you fill out the application and book a call with my team. That is your one step that you just took on this Monday that's going to bring you closer to this goal. You get what I'm saying? Now, whatever your goal might be, whatever this goal might be, it's Monday. Now's the time to do it. Don't bitch and moan and complain about Monday. Monday is the start of something amazing. Amazing, right? So, I hope this makes sense to you, all right? You know what? This is what I want you to do. This is what I want you to do right now. It is Monday. It is Mofo Monday. You're taking Mondays back. Monday's becoming your bitch from this point forward. So this is what I want you to do on this Monday, right this second, is I want you to post below this video, hey Carey, this is what the one little step I'm taking this Monday to move me closer to my end goal. Do it. I'm serious. Do it right now. Post it below this video. Carey, this is the one little step that I'm taking to move myself on this Monday to move myself closer to my goal, right? This is Mofo Monday. I'm making Mondays my bitch. Let's go, right? That's what I want you to do right now. Post below. Let me know what you're doing this Monday. One little step that you're doing, okay? And again, remember, if you would like to start an ATM business and you'd like me to help you, I invite you to click on the link below, okay? Enter your email address, watch my training video, and then book a call with my team, okay? And then we'll see if we're fit for one another. Now, here's the thing. If you're ready to go, do that. If you're literally ready right now to start an ATM business, do that. If you're like, Carey, maybe in a little bit I'll be able to start an ATM business. I still want to do a little bit more research. I want to feel this out. I want to feel you out, right? Whatever. Then I got something exciting for you. I got the Start Your ATM Business Challenge that's coming up. Okay? It's going to be a 5-day challenge. 5 days live with me, and we're going to literally start your ATM business in those 5 days. Okay? That's what we're going to do. So if you need help with that, you know what you also should do? Still click that link in below. Okay? Enter your email address. Watch the video. I mean, it'll be helpful. The training video will be helpful. But you don't have to book a call with my team or anything, right? You can just wait because that's my list. And once I send out the email for this challenge, you'll be on my list, so you'll get the email. So you'll be able to be the first ones to sign up for it. That makes sense? So below, click the video. Watch my below this video, click the link, enter your email, watch my training video. Book a call with my team if you're ready right now to start an ATM business. You want me to help you. If you're not ready right this second, but you want to start an ATM business, but you want to wait for the 5-day challenge, and we'll start it together, right? I'll help you together. Then just click the link below, enter your email. You can watch the training if you want, but do not book a call with my team, right? We're gonna get you rocking and rolling on the challenge, and Start Your ATM Business Challenge, okay? And that'll be coming up soon. I will send out the details. I'll make a video like this about it as well. You get emails about it. You'll know about that, right? Okay. So for right now, if you'd like me to help you start and grow your own ATM business, go to atmtrainingvideo.com or just click the link in the description below, right? Don't forget, click that ATM, whatever side it's on, all right? Hit that bell notification, select all, so every time I post a video, you're first to know about it. Please give me some likes for this video. Please give me some likes. Guys, I want you to take Monday back. Just refocus and reframe Mondays now. And Mondays is going to be the start of everything from you, everything for you from this point forward. All right? Listen, guys, my name is Carey Buck. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day, and may you live happily off of passive income.